touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it.
What's up, Riders? Chevy here, and I'm back with another video for y'all today. If you're new to the ride, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back to the ride. Y'all, so this video today is me. I had to work today. My side gig, and I'm here now. About to grab me some Chick-fil-A right quick before I have to start, and cause I'm hungry now. Today was the day of my cousin's homegoing, and I ended up having to work after. So I had to still work, so I didn't make the repass. But so I have to eat still. So I'm about to get me something to eat from Chick-fil-A, and I'll see y'all later on in the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and so for when you get it, and enjoy the ride. I love y'all.
Wait, Bianca's not on the guest list, right? She's You're good.
Yeah. This cookie is so good. I took a piece. And it's so good. It's done. It's soft. It tastes so good. All that together. Shout out to the food fight truck. There's a food truck called the Food Fight. So far. Go try them out. This is a cookies and cream cookie. Pizza. Okay, y'all. I'm home from work. Finally got it back home. It's 10:30 at this point. Oh, been up since 7, and I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy, and somebody's sitting there looking at me like, "Who are you talking to?" She was really looking at me like that, y'all. Hey, who are you talking to? Hey, yeah, cut out. So, y'all, thank you for watching the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. It's still vlogtober. We got a couple more days left, and I done got behind because I had a busy weekend, y'all. So I didn't get to I got to record Friday, but I didn't get to edit Friday. So here I am, Saturday, recording 2 videos so I can stay on top of it. But tomorrow I'm gonna have to drop all 3 because I need to drop Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So look out for them, y'all. Thank you for liking the videos. Leave me a comment down below. I love it. Appreciate it. Tell a friend where you've been at. Tell them about my videos. Share them out. You know, tell them to join the ride. And yeah, I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it.